Shake it well and you say it. Guys, come over here. I'm so hungry. I didn't have my lunch, that's why. And see that? Oh gosh. Come on, be the first one to taste, be the first one to buy. Sorry. Smoking. See that? Come on. Love it. Have you smell it, guys and gals? Oh. This for you.